Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide Instagram following and followers list. Okay, let's start the video. First, open your Instagram app. Now tap on profile icon. Tap on three-line menu. There are no option to hide Instagram following and followers list. But don't worry, follow my all steps. I hope solve your problem. First, tap on account privacy. Tap on private account. Tap on switch to private. Tap on review followers and then back to your profile. Finally, I hope solve your problem and hide Instagram following and followers. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.